The impossible is finally done. Apple has finally ascended to a level that no other phone has achieved so far. The mega design improvement with the iPhone 15 Pro series is actually happening, and it will get them closer to their eventual dream iPhone design for the future. But this is the big step that they can take for now. The iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max will be the first displays on a smartphone to have record-breaking 1.5mm bezels. This will be the thinnest bezels on any phone out there. According to Mark Gurman, this is made with a brand new technology that's called as LIPO, which stands for Low Injection Pressure Over Molding. This is a completely new technology, which is the reason why Apple is achieving these record numbers. For comparison, it is a big drop from the 2.2mm chin on the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the 3.6mm chin on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Even though Samsung is the one that's making the displays for the iPhone 15 series, still Apple is the first one to push this boundary. Perhaps it's time for Samsung to really think about their cost-cutting strategy. There was absolutely no reason for Samsung to have a 1800 nits brightness on their S23 Ultra while giving a brighter 2000 nits display to the iPhone 14 Pro series last year, so some things don't make sense. I feel like Samsung has to step their game up, but let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Now, along with the displays, Mark Gurman has confirmed that iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will be the first iPhones to feature titanium material for their side design, making them less finger prone compared to the 14 Pro series, while also improving durability, making the devices overall lighter and more premium. Plus, in case you don't know, USB-C is fully confirmed along with the new action button, which can be customized for up to 9 functions. We are less than 1 month away from the official iPhone 15 announcement, and in the light of these things, Apple has now given the final go-ahead to Samsung to produce the OLED displays for the iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max / Ultra, iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus models. So far, Samsung Display is the only partner that has received this final go-ahead. Apparently, BOE and LG displays are still waiting for Apple's final approval. As for the non-Pro iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus, Mark Gurman confirms that the dynamic island is indeed coming, killing the notch forever, but the latest slim bezel display will be exclusive to the 15 Pro and the Pro Max. So that's all of the latest news. Be sure to subscribe for the latest coverage. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.